Let's go, guys. Let's go. The markets are doing some great things here. Look, the markets is dropping. Silver is dropping. Gold is dropping. And what's that got to do with you anyways? Because there's nothing that you could do. This is perfect for the correction that we've been talking about, the reset in the markets. What I'm going to do is make a couple of bucks here. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Scalping. You see over here, we got $12,000. So, yeah, I'm just going to go to the daily, see what's up. Here's my candle. Here's my my line. This is the kind of reversal area we see where the market has jumped from. And, yeah, just fucking short it, guys. You know, what are you going to do? You have a long position open, you're just going to sit there and wait for it? Or you're going to take advantage? Look, this reversal. You see this kind of... See this? This is a fake candle. Fake. On a downtrend, you don't trust these candles, so you have to hit them with a short. So I just opened a quick scalp. I'm going to open 20 contracts short. The reason is, well, it did bounce from this level, but this level isn't accurate. Like this... It needs multiple retests, and this is only a 5-minute candle. If I go in 15 minutes, you'll see what I mean. You see 15 minutes, how it looks? It doesn't look stable. That's what I'm trying to say. While the NASDAQ is going down, gold here is also going down, but I'm not shorting gold. I am shorting the NASDAQ. Gold is a different breed. You try to stay away from gold and just focus. All right, beautiful. $180 secure. As I said, $180 secured, and now it's going to try kind of push up to this level. Okay, this is 15-minute scalping. Look, the reason why I'm shorting it is because it's a downtrend, and on a downtrend, the price is weak. When there's selling pressure, every other stock out there is selling off, so you got to be careful. This is a buying opportunity for stocks, by the way, right? You have to buy stocks. I mean, if NASDAQ sells off, gold is selling off, then that means de-risking. There's less risk now. If metals sell off, then there's less risk in the market for stocks and equities. That's how I interpret it. That's how you should interpret it as well. Okay, so gold will probably, like I said, has more to sell off below 5,000. Here's your US Tech. I'm still going to short the US Tech 100, by the way. Okay, I'm just going to hit it right here. I think 75. So we're up 100. No, this can push higher a little bit. Yeah, this could be a buy position. Just because we know it could come out to this level first before coming down again. So I opened the buy position again. Earlier it was a sell, now it's a buy. And this is how you scalp. You just up and down and set yourself a target. I think I'll make 500 for this scalping session. Just show you guys how to do it. I'll post this on Patreon, not YouTube. YouTube will have a different kind of video, but the learning material is here on Patreon. I'll make this free as well. How about that? Hey, that's nice of me, isn't it? Let me know you guys have watched this, by the way, below. All right, well, let's see what happens here, guys. You can open an account with $1,000 if you want. And just know, this is like, you know, just to kill time. We're not looking to make millions from here. You're making a buck or two. And one direction, it's easy. When the market is heading in one direction, it's easy to trade. But look how easy it is to be in a loss as well. Just do it for fun if you're going to do it, that is. Okay, here's the buy position. Like, the reason why I entered this buy, guys, is because it's a dancing candle. Yes, it could come down to this level, 25,388. And it might look like it's doing that now, actually. But before it does, in many cases, it kind of reverses to grab liquidity from the top. I'm just looking at the market here. Everything is red. Red. Sad, but can you do, guys? What can you do? The market isn't really in a pretty place. NASDAQ today is down 2.5%. That's a lot. So another, maybe gets to see another 10% or 5%. Who knows? All I know is this is the time to just day trade, stay active. The big money's coming, you know, and Let's see what was happening here. Doesn't want to come to this level. Maybe. I'm not using a stop loss for this. There's many support levels as you see here. Here's another. Here's a couple. This is where we are P&L wise. And how does the now? Oh, we're in the profit now from minus 500 now to 186 again, almost 200. All right, we're almost at the 500 mark. So like I said, it will grab liquidity before. I'm gonna reduce my size to 15 now. You gotta trade like a martingale. What can this do? Nice bounce or it's a fake? Looks like a fake, but do we know? Spot gold. Let's see. See gold. It's gonna come down. You see here. One more. Gold is trying to fake out. Who you faking? Who are you kidding? Okay. Gold is here. It's going to hit some resistance level around 258 if we get it. Either I take a short on gold or I take a long on US Tech from my level we said below. So right here, we could come down halfway through that level 369. I don't know why gold is going up to be. I don't know. Let's go 1 hour. It's a fake. Gold doesn't know what it's doing, does it? Gold is a safe haven, you know, against what we don't know. Overvaluation, maybe. Debasement. You know, these fears always exist in the markets. For that reason, I will sell. So, holy shit. Look at the volatility in gold. I opened 10 contracts, sell. Wow. No stop loss, guys. Look, the thing has already cracked. Right? And now it's looking for recovery. But then you just hit resistance. Right? Resistance. And we're in. Holy. Oh, shit. 400 in a second. Gold is that volatile, guys. Gold is that volatile. Because you can't count gold like US Tech 100. If you open 10 contracts, that means you opened 100. So every move is like, look. A second ago, just a little dip gave me 400. So I'm just going to go 10 minutes. I wasn't even prepared for this. Oh, this might be a make or break kind of trade. Why did I do that? A minute ago, I could have closed it quickly. But hey, no, this will come down, guys. It needs to cover this area. This whole thing needs to get filled. Here we go again. Beautiful. Beautiful. 600. What is happening? Holy. Oh, I don't even have time to close. Let's focus. 650. That's 1,000, guys. $1,000 made in 8 minutes. Right, I'm done. Look. Our account balance is 13,000. I'm glad I documented this. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Hopefully, we've been recording here. Everything is going to be great. Just relax and stay busy. You don't have to day trade. You don't have to scalp. Just stay busy, guys. You'll do fine. Thanks, guys, for tuning in.